Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. So, if there is a specific someone that you really love, that you really want to know how do they feel for you, then this reading is something that you can watch and find the answer to that. It can be an ex, it can be applicable to your current person, it can be applicable to anyone that you once loved and you really want to know how do they feel for you right now. We will tap into their feelings. Then we're going to take some message cards from them as well, and towards the end of the read we will add the charms as well. So stay tuned, and while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see, how do they feel for you? What are their feelings for you? Let's find out. Whoever it is that you have on your mind, how do they feel for you? Capricorns. Knight of Pentacles. They believe in you in one way or the other. I don't know why that energy is showing up, but that they have, whether you give into the connection with them or you don't, they believe that when the time is right, um, things will work out. So they have a strong belief around whatever they want, whatever they have with you. Whoever it is that you are asking about, they do feel that one day things will be better between the two of you. Seven of Swords. It seems like the person that you're dealing with, um, they strongly believe um, that you are hiding your true self, true emotions for them. So they are not going to give up on you. They feel that you are hurt, you are broken, you are shattered from within, and you are hiding your true self from them. You're hiding your true emotions from them. They are not ready to give up. They will make your heart melt for them. They will make you believe that yes, they mean what they say. They mean what they have to offer. They feel that you are just like covering your or hiding your emotions, um, and they believe that divine with the divine help they will soften your heart up for them. Nine of Pentacles. They do get attracted to you. They do feel so much attraction towards you. They find you very attractive. They find you very stable. They find you very um, you definitely add beauty, happiness in their life. They do see you, they do admire you, they do find you lovable. So this person really has strong emotions for you. Somehow I feel like you have your guards up against this person, whoever it is that you are asking about. It seems like you want to know how do they feel for you, but then you are not giving into the connection with them as well. um this person feels like you don't give into this connection with them, but they will make you give into this connection with them. They are not going to let go of the hope. They are not going to let you go. They will make your heart melt, that's for sure. Let's take two more cards here. Queen of Wands. Justice. They feel that maybe you don't see their love right now, you don't trust them, you don't trust their motives, intentions, but they will definitely make you fall in love with them for sure. On the deck we do have the Temperance. They are being very patient with you. They do see that you might not be giving into it, but they will make it happen. They do have love for you, but they feel that you really hold yourself back. You have certain fears around this person. I don't know, it can be a past person as well, but they do see that you are fearful of being in a commitment, being in a relationship, and they understand that, and they are letting you have your space time, and they know they seek justice from the divine, not from you. So there is a strong chance of them getting what they want. Why? Because they are not asking, demanding anything from you. They are just letting you be, and meanwhile they're trying to manifest you in their life. That's what it is. So let's see what the messages are from your person. Let's see, what do they want you to know? I feel like this person could be, maybe you had a past with this person and you kind of not ready to give them another chance. maybe they have hurt you in the past, but whatever the scenario is, this person is not going to let you go easy. I remember every detail of that day. There must have something that major happened in the connection between the two of you. They remember every detail of it. They remember what happened, how you felt, how they felt. But maybe it was divinely timed to happen that way. Maybe they could have made things better, but if maybe sometimes what happens is we break up with the person that we love the most, because that's how are destined to come back together. Because maybe if you married each other back then, maybe by now you would have divorced each other. But now, if and when you come back together, you are a mature you, they are a mature them, and they can understand you, you can understand them better. So I feel like it's very important for you to understand that, like, just forget the past, see what they have to offer, believe what they have to offer as well. I want to feel that way again. They want to feel love again. They want to feel, how you used to make them feel when you used to talk to them, when you used to give them time, when you used to do things for them, when you used to reciprocate the love. So it seems like they really crave for you. I know I messed up everything. So they know that they did some mistake in the past, but they cannot stop thinking about you. I cannot stop thinking about you. I don't react when people mention you. Maybe in the past they did hear something about you, and they followed what they and they believed what they were told by other people in this situation. And maybe that's why you are mad at them, because you can't trust this person because they trusted someone else over you. That could be the case for some of you. We will be together again. That's what they believe, and they are not going to give up on you for sure. Let's take some more message cards from them. Let's see what else do they have to say to you. What else do they have to say to you? What else do they want to say to you? I deserve more than you are giving, love. They right now feel at times like, I deserve more than this, but then they kind of let you be. Why? Because they believe that they did something wrong, they messed up everything, and that's why they are trying to make up for that. I am all yours. They really want you to know that they are all yours. Whether you talk to them or you don't, they will not give up. Boring, dull, aloof. They find themselves or you boring, dull, or aloof. But I feel like that could be their lifestyle these days. Can you forgive me? They really want a second chance with you. They crave for that. I wish we could come back together. That's what they are trying hard to do. So yeah, let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add to the read. So we do have 4 alphabets. We do have M, F, S, and a U. So these could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. For some of you, there could have been a third party situation involved in the situation. Again, it doesn't have to be another person in their life or in your life, but it can be like, somebody told something to you about this person or them about you, and then the connection kind of, started you started having bad time in the connection. Live your dream. For some of you, you really have to understand that this connection is was destined to happen this way. It's things have evolved, things will be evolving even further. For some of you, you might have first started talking to each other around the this Halloween time, around the winter time. But this connection seems to be stronger than ever. Like, when you come back together, there is a good luck in this connection. There is this divine help coming in the connection. The past is going to go away. There are some misunderstandings in the connection. Once they are removed, once they are gone, once they are dealt with, things gonna get back to normal. I feel like affirmations and visualizations can help you a lot with this connection that you have with your specific someone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys. Strong is beautiful. This person really sees you as a stronger woman, stronger man now, as compared to how you used to be. But they are not going to give up on you for sure, and they are going to melt your heart for them. So yeah, this pretty much should come good for you for all this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.